Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Welcome into the Hungry Pauper. I am the Hungry Pauper, and today we've got a special request. Somebody wanted to know, they had not heard of deviled egg potato salad before, so we're going to make some deviled egg potato salad. How about that? So let's do that. Let me get the knife here. All right, this one will work. Very good. We're going to make deviled egg potato salad, and I've rinsed these off. I got them in this here deep metal colander, and the best thing for me at the time, I just bought these over at Target. You know, I really don't like white potatoes. I don't like russets very well. I'll do them, but I prefer a red potato. But you know, if you can see these, we're gonna make deviled egg potato salad, and I've rinsed these off. I got them in this here deep metal colander, and the best thing for me at the time, I just bought these over at Target. You know, I really don't like white potatoes. I don't like russets very well. I'll do them, but I prefer a red potato. But you know, if you can see these, if I was to sit and peel every one of these, there wouldn't be much left. So I think we're just going to leave skin on, and we're going to do a rough, go ahead and do a rough chop with them. Well, that's not very good, but there we go. We're just gonna do that. We're not going to peel them. We're not going to mess with them. We're just going to do a rough thing here. There we go. They're all chopped. I got all those B-size red potatoes chopped. And we're leaving the skins on. Now you do it however you want to do it. If you want to use russets and peel them before you go, or just boil the whole potato, because the peeling comes off a lot easier. Well, I've got another video about that. If you boil the whole thing whole, let it cool, those peelings just come right off of there. But these B-size reds are very good. They were the freshest I could find, so that's what we're using right now. There's that. And we got some we got easier salt than that. Here we go. Let's put us a little bit of salt in there. Whoa. And we are going to boil eggs. It would not be deviled egg potato salad without boiled eggs. Right? Right. How many eggs do we have? We got 2, 4, 6, 8. We got 9 eggs here. I think we'll just do them all. Right there. So we have here, we got quite a few bread and butter pickles, and I like a few pickles. And I got another jar as a replacement right there. So let's go ahead and drain these. And we're reserving this juice because the juice is going to be added to the dressing. We're going to set that aside for now, and we are going to rough chop these here pickles. And you put however many pickles you want to in yours, but I do like these. I love these pickles, as a matter of fact. My handy dandy gizmo that I need me. Let's get this here rubber dealy. Let's pick these up. So there, those are out of the way until we need them. So let's chop our onion. Yep, I better be buying some more sweet onions. There's that and that. Got both these cut off of that puppy. This is still a nice solid onion. This has been a very handy gizmo, let me tell you that. Alright, so we need us about a cup and a half of mayo. That's about 3/4 of a cup. That's about a cup and a quarter. Whatever it is, I promise you it's going to be just fine. It is going to be just fine, guys. We need mustard. I almost forgot the mustard. And here is the mustard. So I don't want you thinking I can't cut the mustard anymore. So, whoa. There's that. Yep. So mayonnaise, mustard. Let's do us a little sugar in there. Now we don't want this really sweet. Well, let's put that much in for right now. Because if we need more, we can always add it. I think it said a 1/4 cup of sugar. That's probably not that. And let's mix that up. I can't finish this dressing until I get the boiled eggs. But you know, they take away from the moisture. So let's put some of that there. Pickle juice in there. So I have here some, just a little bit of horseradish sauce. We don't need a lot to it, just half a teaspoon or a teaspoon. I'm just going by the color of it, guys. So I've got the potatoes over here cooling in the bowl back there. And let's just give them a stir so it's not hot when I go to put the dressing. There we go. Now, most of this all goes into the egg, into the potato salad anyway. There. So let's just do that. Let's do that. This is gonna taste like deviled eggs, baby. There we go. There we go. Here's a big old bowl. I'm gonna wipe my hands off here first. That's the word. Throw that back in the washer anyway. There's that. That's cool enough. We don't want to put all those because then we're going to fall. The stirring of the salad will knock those apart anyway to a degree. So we're not going to be too worried about it. Okay. There. Okay, so, and that is, yeah, we're good. We are good. We are good. Pour it over there. Now, I didn't taste it, but I think we're going to be good. I tasted it before we added to it, so plenty, I think there's plenty of sugar, all that. Salt and pepper. Needed that, bigger one here. Get it all out of the bowl. Oh my God, I just caught a whiff of that. That smells really good. That smells really, really good. Excuse me. Oh, we ain't done yet. Good God, I about forgot the good stuff here, guys. I about forgot the good stuff. Onions and pickles. I was tasting potatoes and dressing. Big old ice cream spoon. That's probably what's gonna. There, now it's salad, not just potatoes. So this looks pretty good. That's pretty good. That is really good. Put this in the fridge to cool down. Good nightmares. Have I ever got a miss there? Do I not? This has been the messiest video I've done in a long time. If I would put that on there, right, I wouldn't have that gap right there. You know, by golly, we come out to where, you know, I just bought this Tupperware bowl at a secondhand store. I don't remember what I paid for it. It wasn't much. $5 for something, $4. Oh, it's right here. $2.99 I paid for it, and that's about the size bowl we need for that salad with the seal to cover it. So I should have just, but I need to wash it out. So there it is. And you can definitely taste the ingredients in that potato salad. It's very good. Yum, yum. So without further ado, I appreciate you coming around, for stopping by. I appreciate you watching the videos. I appreciate you subscribing and liking, commenting, all that stuff. So I appreciate you so much. And thanks for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. See you later. Bye-bye.